Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Make login issues in 2026. If you can't sign into your Make account, keep getting login errors, or the login page won't load, this guide will walk you through the most effective solutions step by step. First, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable network can prevent Make from communicating with its servers during the sign-in process. Next, double-check that you're entering the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset it. Now refresh the login page or close and reopen your web browser. If you're using the Make desktop app, restart the application before trying to sign in again. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in once more. You can also open an incognito window or switch to a different browser to rule out browser-related issues. If you normally sign in using Google, Microsoft, or another single sign-on provider, make sure you're selecting the same login method you used when creating your Make account. Now temporarily disable any VPN, proxy, or browser extensions that might interfere with the login process, then try signing in again. Finally, if you're still unable to access your account, check whether Make is experiencing a temporary service outage or contact Make support with the exact error message you're receiving. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to fix Make login issues step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.